Hey guys, Tony here. So I wanted to make this video because I am I'm kind of stuck in traffic and I got nothing else to do. Do not worry, I'm not holding my phone, so you guys, I'm perfectly fine. I'm just kind of talking and stuff. So if you guys don't see too much movement on the screen, it's because I'm driving, I'm holding the steering wheel, and not because I'm actually, doing TA on Bitcoin right now. We did officially close. So the last time that I made a TA on Bitcoin, I basically said that we were perfectly positioned to drop to 29.31K. And I still think that is, I'm still sticking with that TA. I think that as of right now, we just closed a daily trigger, right? Which is this daily trigger on the reverse MACD down there. We just closed a daily bearish trigger. And by Sunday, I am fully expecting us, maybe by Sunday, by next week, I'm expecting us to drop down to 29.31K on Bitcoin. I'll be honest, right? I am short right now also. If right now, after this daily bearish trigger, we do nothing but trade sideways or we actually trade up, then I will be 100% bullish on Bitcoin all over, because more than likely we will be closing a bullish week on Sunday. And I will be going live on Sunday. I'll be doing this all over again. But keep in mind, as of right now, I am short. I do think that we have a very, very, very strong chance, a very high probability of dropping from 29 to 31K. Again, this is just a continuation of what happened in my last video. Ever since the last video, we did run up about $1,000-$2,000, and we are on trend. We haven't broken it yet, which is why I'm still bearish. It's just one of those things where the daily trigger has been right every single time since November. So there's no reason for me to go against my indicators, right? There's no reason for me to go against my TA. We are in the same exact position as we were, right here, and also way back here, and then also back here at peak. There's no reason for me to not be short right now on Bitcoin, because that's exactly what it looks like. It looks like it's going to drop down to, $29,000, $31,000. Again, if all we do is trade sideways or up, and this bear trigger gets canceled, then I 100% think we are going to be rallying massively as long as we close a bullish week on Sunday. There's a lot of things going on, not necessarily with Bitcoin, but with everything else. The earnings with Google and Apple and Microsoft were all fantastic. I'm expecting Amazon to post similar results. I'm expecting Amazon to also have a really good earnings report. I will make another video on why I think Netflix and PayPal and Facebook and all those other stocks fell. That's a completely different video. It's a different theory altogether, which I think is going to actually play out. And I've actually had this conversation with one of my close buddies, and he thinks that it makes perfect sense. But again, this is something that I will talk about in a different video. The whole thing with Russia, I personally don't think that Russia is going to go to war with Ukraine. Again, I will talk about that in a different video. That's just my own personal opinion. Again, that can definitely change immediately, right, in a second. But as of right now, Bitcoin does look 100% bearish, right? There's no reason for me to short right now. I am shorting this down to 29.31K, and I am fully expecting Bitcoin to start moving today, right? I'm fully expecting it to start moving today. And if we do drop hard again, I'm expecting a 29.31K Bitcoin by this Sunday, 4 days from now. Latest, I would think that it hits 29.31K by next week. But as of right now, 100% bearish on Bitcoin going back to 29.31K. If this daily bear trigger gets canceled out, or all we do right now is just trade sideways or somehow trade up, then all I'm waiting for is just Sunday to close a bullish week, and then I will be 100% bullish on all crypto. And we'll go from there. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.